Ask nothing of anyone, and practice unconditional acceptance. All your demands of others create an environment where miracles are impossible to manifest. You must be empty of judgment and demand in order to experience real magic in your life. Asking nothing of anyone gives you a true sense of freedom. Whenever you're about to be upset or angry at someone, stop yourself with this statement: they owe me nothing. I expect nothing of them. I'll just accept them where they are right now. You'll find that 2 days of practicing this attitude will convert you quite nicely, particularly if you practice this with the person to whom you are the closest. For me, it's my wife. When I remind myself that she owes me nothing, that she is a loving presence in my life with no obligations to me, then I have to be accepting of her unconditionally. Notice I didn't say that I had to agree with her 100% of the time. I simply remind myself to demand nothing and to accept her unconditionally. Her presence in my life is a gift to me. We are totally responsible exclusively for our own souls. When I remember that, my wife and I have a beautiful spiritual partnership that is joyous. When I forget it, as I do occasionally, we have stress and unpleasantness, and real magic is impossible. Life is what it is. It's no more and it's no less. Ask nothing of it. Come alive in your mind to the point of demanding nothing of anyone, or even of life itself. See the divineness in all of the people you encounter. Accept that, and you will be in the inner frame of mind for creating real magic. Here's a method of implementing this. Give yourself a day to ask nothing of anyone. Your spouse, your children, your co-workers, everyone that you encounter just today, decide to give to instead of taking from. You will soon see the less you expect from others, the less demanding you are that they serve you, and the more will come your way. Just give love and unconditional acceptance to those you encounter and notice what happens. How can you be angry or hurt when you have no expectations? Begin to develop authentic power for yourself. To be authentically powerful, your power must not reside in how others react to you, nor exclusively in your physical strength or appearance. Authentic power is not located in the physical body because of the inevitable changes that transpire in the material world. Authentic empowerment is found on the path of alignment with your soul's purpose. With each step that you take to align yourself with your soul's purpose, you further empower yourself. As you listen to this tape, remind yourself that your objective is personal empowerment, to literally become your own miracle maker. When you become realigned, you will follow your inner signals almost effortlessly. The physical temptations will remain, and occasionally you will allow them to win, but your new spiritual alignment will dominate your life, and a periodic slip will not dislodge your authentic self. Align yourself to the soul. Listen to those inner pleadings to be at ease and on purpose, and you will shift your life over to being an authentically powerful person. It is with this mindset that real magic will become available to you as a life choice. Here's a suggestion for implementing this. Detach yourself for a brief period from the behavior of controlling others through your size or your authority position or your physical appearance or your age or your wealth or anything that's external to yourself. Imagine yourself as just a soul interacting with other souls. Truly treat others as if the fullness of God resided within them and that all manner of physical world attributes are non-existent. Give this a try for a day or two. See how much authentic power you truly possess. All of your physical attributes will someday disintegrate, as does everything in the world of form. Know this, and live today as if it has already happened. I often do this with my little children. I imagine myself without my adult-sized body and all of the power that goes with being grown up. I try to relate to them for a period of time, say on the way to school, as if we were all without bodies and only our thoughts and souls were present in the car. I see how empowering this is to them and to me. I listen to them rather than giving them orders. They see me as a loving guide rather than a big person father who can make them do what I want them to do. Give up your need to control and substitute a kind of unconditional acceptance of those you meet as soulmates, all equal in the eyes of God. You will be surprised at how you will empower others as well as yourself when you shift your inner world away from domination and control to one of unconditional respect and loving harmony.